Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing how to make mushroom biryani. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So here I have taken 2 medium sized onion, I have taken 2 green chilies, I have taken 10 to 15 crushed garlic, 1 inch of crushed ginger, I have taken 2 bay leaf, star, 1 star, 2 elaichis, 1 cinnamon stick or dalchini and 2 cloves long. And then I have taken 200 grams of mushrooms which I have cut. Then I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice which I have soaked in water for around half an hour. Then I have taken 1 medium sized tomato which I have made the puree. I have taken 2 tablespoons of curd, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, dhania patti, 2 tablespoons of pudina, mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of refined oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee, or you can use butter if you don't have. Then I have taken 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. And we require salt as per taste. So now let's get started. Now I am adding in the 2 tablespoons of ghee. I am adding in the oil also. Let it get heated. Now to this I am adding the dry masalas. Let it crackle a bit. Now to this we will be adding in the green chilies. And now we will add in the chopped onions. Mix it for around 2 minutes. Saute it for 2 minutes. Minutes are over. You can see that the onions have become slightly pinkish in color. Now to this we will be adding our ginger and garlic. Mix it for around 1 minute till the garlic loses its raw flavor. To this we will be adding in our masalas. So now we add in the fennel seeds. We add in the red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Mix it for another few minutes. Mix this for around 2 minutes. We have cooked it for 1 minute after adding the masalas. Now to this we will be adding in our tomato puree. And make sure that you keep the flame in between low and high. 2 minutes are over. So now to this we will be adding in our curd. Make sure that you keep mixing it. And keep it at a low flame and mix. And you can make this at a medium flame. Don't keep the flame too high. Make it medium. You can see the color. Now to this we will be adding in our mushrooms. Give it a mix. And while you are cooking the masalas, you must mix it continuously. Now to 2 to 3 minutes are over, you can see that mushrooms have reduced their size. Now to this we will be adding in our coriander leaves and the mint leaves. Give it a mix. Now to this we will be adding in 3 glasses of water. Here we are taking 3 glasses of water because we have taken 2 cups of rice. So if you have 1 cup of rice, then you will have to add 1.5 glass of water. Similarly, I have taken 2 cups of rice, so I am adding in 3 glasses of water. So we will add in water. We have added in 3 glasses of water. So now to this, at this time we will be adding in salt. Add salt as per taste. If you want, you can even taste the water. Make sure that the salt is not less. If it's slightly more also, it's not a problem because the rice is going to absorb the salt. So now cook this water for around 2 minutes and then we'll be adding in the rice. Keep the flame medium and now we'll be adding in the rice. Give it a mix after adding in the rice. Keep the flame at medium flame and make sure cook it till the whole water is absorbed by the rice and the rice is 100% cooked. Keep the flame at high and make sure it gets a 1 boil. After it gets a boil, you can reduce the flame, make it to medium and then cook the rice. You can see our biryani is ready. It took around 10 minutes. And make sure that you cover it and cook it, and make sure that you give it a boil first at high flame and then reduce the flame to medium. So we have cooked this at medium flame and it took 10 minutes. Now we have taken it in a bowl and now you can see how yummy and delicious it looks. It took only 15 minutes to make it. It's a very simple and easy recipe. Do give it a try, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching this. Thank you, guys.